Hi guys, today we are visiting the amazing Tintagel Castle in Cornwall with our kids. Let's see what this famous place looks like. Be prepared that there is a lot of walking and many steps to reach the castle. It was extremely windy today. If the wind is too strong, the castle bridge can close and visitor may not be allowed inside. The views are incredible, but it's definitely an adventure with kids. If you're visiting Tintagel Castle, remember to wear comfortable shoes, bring water and snacks, check the weather before visiting, and avoid very windy days. If you're visiting Cornwall, Tintagel Castle is beautiful, but be ready for walking and check the wind before you go.